All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today you just got that new shiny Quest 3 or 3S. Now, what can you do with it? Glad you're here. If you could be so kind to hit that like button right there, I don't know, it was on this side or this side, that'd be great. It helps the channel move forward. Thank you. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Check it out. You just brought the Quest 3 or 3S. You got one of them. And what can you do with it? I know you can play games, right? Because you got Batman that came with it. Phenomenal game. But what else can you do besides just play the games? I got a list for you guys. And this right here is going to be what can you do, not a how-to. I'll make a how-to video. Any of these things you want to know, please leave it in the comment and I'll get to making a big video, a how-to video of these things. The first thing you can do with your Quest 3 or 3S is you can make a phone call to other people. Not just a phone call, but a video call too. Check it out. The Quest comes with Messenger. Messenger can make phone calls clear too. You make a phone call with your Messenger, comes right in your headset, don't have to take it off, other person answers, and you could be in a call while playing a game, watching YouTube, whatever you want to do in your headset. Don't even have to take it off or pick up your phone. And you can turn that call into a video call. You can see the person and the person can see what you see. It's wild. And check it out, a little hack. If you put a mirror in front of you, now they can see you. Found that out. That's a great little hack to do. Did you know you can go to see live NBA games? Live NBA games. Meta came out with 52 live NBA games. You can go with you and 3 of your friends and sit courtside. Sometimes they move the camera to the backboard. You see your favorite NBA team, or you ain't got no favorite NBA team, you see NBA players up and down the court. It's another level experience. That's the way you really want to start getting immersed into this shiny little Quest 3 3S that you just brought. You get to go to the game without leaving your couch. Did you know you can play the Xbox Cloud Gaming with your Quest 3 or 3S? Your Quest just became an Xbox. It's a native Quest app that Xbox and Meta are in partnership with. The quality is on point. If you're an Xbox player like me, you know Call of Duty is already on there. And you can play Call of Duty with a massive screen right in front of you. Mixed reality mode where you can still see everybody in your room, but you got a massive Xbox screen in front of you and you playing Call of Duty and all the other games they got up there. Assassin's Creed, all of that. That's crazy. Did you know that you can connect your Quest 3 or 3S to your Windows PC? In version 72, they came out with a new connection to Windows. All you have to do is download the app on your Quest 3, download the app on your PC, and boom, you connect it right there. This is what they call spatial computer, where you have 3 windows floating above you, put any keyboard you want, keyboard shows up in front of you, and that's it. You can do spatial computing with your Quest 3 or 3S. Having 3 monitors in front of you, and you're working side to side, you got all the real estate that you need. The last thing I want to tell you guys for now is, did you know you could turn your Quest 3 or 3S into a big monitor? All you need is a USB-C to HDMI capture card. Plug that into your headset, and anything with an HDMI out, I want to say 98% of things with an HDMI out, plug it inside and it comes right to your headset. Meta has a native app just designed for that, to capture anything that's coming out of a caption card into your headset. That's wild. You have an extra TV on your headset, an extra TV. Now think about the possibilities of that. You can even plug in a Fire Stick to that. A Fire Stick on your headset. You don't have to wait for the TV or wait for somebody to get done with their show, or they playing a game, or y'all sitting in the same room and you don't want to watch what they're watching. Watch what you want to watch. You can do it with the Quest 3 and 3S. This thing that you just brought, this product, the Meta Quest, is more than just gaming. You can do so much more. That's just the tip of the iceberg of what I'm telling you about what you can do with the Meta Quest 3 and 3S. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.